Yeah, back here, the Safe Soldier. Let's have a look today to the unboxing from Miniart 1 to 35 scale. A new release from this year, copyright 2021. The German tractor D8506 with cargo trailer. And it also have two figures and fuel drums, wooden boxes, and this is not a toy. Oh, so let's see the artwork. It's absolutely great. It looks good. Some steering there. Outside we have a picture what's nogmaals in it. Well, yeah, great. And some other stuff. I open it. Moment. Ta-da! This is it. We have a huge manual guide, if you can see. 3 wooden boxes, 2 figures, 2 build options, photo etch part included, decal sheet included, I hope so, clear plus, of course, everything is included. Oh, we're starting with the painting guide. That's absolutely great. Identified unit Luftwaffe, okay. Also the color scheme. Here the view of all the parts. And you can see we also have the numbers for the painting. And let's start to look at the manual guide, how to build this thing. No, don't look very difficult or something. Looks really nice. Bulldog, yeah, quite big drawings, but quite good. Here you can see the wheels. I was asking myself, are there rubber tires in it? No, we have just plastic rings that make a tire, so we have to paint them and then we have a tire. Yep. That's the tractor build. Looks very nice. And then we have those the cargo trailer. Very simple, so you can see. Or it can turn around. No, that's great. And we have some fuel drums or something, yep, and wood pallet. Great. And we have 2 figures, also look very nice. And still we have the other painting guide. What is this? Wehrmacht ist ein Front 1942-1944. Na, super toll. Das ist ja irre. Yeah, we got something identified with unit Luftwaffe. And Wehrmacht Eastern Front, yeah, 2 of those drawings. That's up to you how you will make it. Well, this is the what's in it. Quite lots of sprays. Sprays. I will cut it open moment. Yeah, I opened the plastic and look at it. This is a huge part of plastics. Here you can see 1 loose tire. Okay, looks really great. And we see the transparent parts, the lights or something. Yep, and the glass, is there glass in it? No. Well, I don't know what it is, but we'll find out. And we have decals, some number plates. Yeah, not really good, many stuff. What is this? Also this is what is this? Sponge stuff. And we have this. What's in it? Ooh, it's an envelope. Let's open it up. The other metal parts. It's a huge lead metal parts. If you can see, look at it. It's amazing. What is it? The emblems. Okay, Bulldog Lanz, Bulldog Miniart. Okay, great. I hope I can use them, but especially emblems are already that they come to the model. So that's a little bit unboxing, and you can see this new model. I'm gonna build this thing and I will show you the results. It looks really nice, to be honest. Yep, well, I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment. Join my Facebook, of course, Facebook The Safe Soldier, and I see you next time for more videos and stuff. Okay, goodbye.